Hey guys, we received this 170 piece football party supplies that serves around 25 football party decorations, and that includes a football plates, napkins, cups, plastic cutlery and for any occasion. So you can see that there are the 25 piece each of these things here. So they are around these cups. So these cups are 9 ounce. Then there are the spoons. These spoons are around 5.9 inches, and it's a nice quality, like it's not like very thin quality. They are the nice quality product as I can see and feel it here. So these are the napkins. These are like 25 napkins, 6.5 inches around it's the width. And these also are really dense high quality napkins. So there are this knives. These knives are around 6.69 inches. Again the heavy plastic, and also the forks, that's 6.29 inches. So all these are really nice thick quality, the plastic quality, not the thin one that will break easily. So these are not easily breakable things. So it's good for one time use as well. These are the plates. So the big plates are 9 inches and small plates are 7 inches. So total quantity for each thing is around 25 as I said. So the 9 inches, 7 inches plate, napkins, 9 ounce cups and cutlery. So it's a nice set.